Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about a Coinbase short squeeze, potentially even gamestonk style. This could be massive. Kathy Wood from ARK Invest has been doubling down, tripling down on the amount of money she's putting into Coinbase stock. And there's a couple reasons why, and we're going to take a look at this because it really does make sense when you put the pieces together. So let's get into it. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on that, guys. Let's just overall look at the markets. Market cap still up. Really great to see. Don't be surprised to see a bounce off $1 trillion, guys. That being said, I expect more bullish movement for the weekend, but we'll have to see. Not financial advice, guys. Bitcoin is being strong here at about $23,000, and also Ethereum at $16,500 or $1,650. Excuse me. Right now, Binance is looking good. The whole market's looking good, but one player we got to acknowledge here is Coinbase, actually. So Coinbase is one of the original exchanges, and they don't have their own crypto token, but they are set potentially here for a GameStop moment. That would be amazing. If you didn't watch the GameStop stock go up during the crypto frenzy last year, it was one of the craziest things, and there were people that became millionaires in a matter of a week or even less, really, in some circumstances. And there was some millionaires that lost everything that were trying to short it. And I think that's exactly what we have poised right now in the market. A lot of people have been shorting Coinbase stock for a while now, and that's why it has had such crazy downside. But as the crypto bear market comes to an end, anybody that's shorting it is in huge danger of a short squeeze and getting liquidated, and basically that turns into a huge buy order, and then all of a sudden the price keeps going up and everybody shorting it just gets wrecked, and this could start to fly. Now, Coinbase came out as a initial price offering back, I think it was in 2021, possibly 2020. So it is relatively new, maybe 2021. So it is relatively new. And since it came out, it's just gone crashing down. Why? Because the crypto markets entered into a bear market. And so we had, some movement like this. This is when it launched, and we'll see exactly when. So 2021, April of 2021. And then it absolutely came ripping downward and almost tried to go up. And again, this was kind of like right when crypto, was coming to the end of its bull market. And then boom, it came flying down. And then if you go back in time and now you look at it and we kind of zoom in a little bit, what you'll see here is this is the FTX collapse, and now it has had full recovery. Right now it's trading at $75 per share. But guys, remember, this thing was all the way back at its peak and its launch up to $429. So what you should be on the lookout for is the potential opportunity for it to get back up to that $400 mark, which from here, if you take, let's just say $400 divided by $75 a share, you're looking at a 5.3x, almost a 6x to get back to potential value that it started at. And if the short squeeze happens, could this happen in a hurry? Let me know in the comments down below. But one thing's for sure, Coinbase and Circle came out with USDC coin in an alliance that they created. And, USDC coin is absolutely a monster, and a lot of people love it in the crypto space. I don't think it's going anywhere. I really don't think Coinbase is going anywhere. And if you've seen recently, they just came off of some really bad news that people were scared for, which was that they were potentially going to get called up by the SEC for selling unregistered securities, which turned out to not be the case, and a judge dismissed the case. This is probably what caused this huge bullish event here for it this week, also in line with these short squeezes. So be on the lookout for huge gains for Coinbase stock as well as we get closer to this bull market. I did buy some Coinbase stock myself in my Roth IRA, actually. Hey, I want upside in my retirement account. So yes, it's incredibly risky. You could definitely say that, but I believe in crypto for the long term. I believe in Coinbase for the long term. I just think they're not going anywhere. Though Coinbase has stupid high fees, and I don't love using that platform, you got to acknowledge that if you're using Coinbase Pro, that is actually a pretty great tool, and a lot of financial institutions are going to probably invest in Coinbase. as some of them want to short it. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Keep an eye on it. And keep in mind, guys, like, people do hate some of these larger institutions that are getting into crypto. And so these people that are shorting these markets are probably the same people that are coming down on Silvergate, right? Now, Silvergate faces a DOJ investigation over FTX and Alameda research dealings, which is, good to see that the DOJ is digging into this, but this is causing some FUD in the market. And I don't think Silvergate is, probably going to have an issue in the future. I think they're going to get away get out of this. I don't know, get away with it is the right word. I don't know if they're guilty of anything, but the DOJ investigation should come, shed some light on this. But what I want you guys to know is that, some big time players have invested in Silvergate. BlackRock, they recently increased their stake, from 5.9% stake in the company, in the stock, to a 7.2% stake. When this news came out, Silvergate had an absolute pump. This is a crypto-friendly bank that a lot of people have had their eyes on. And also, another fund management giant, State Street, increased their stake in Silvergate. And this is all right before this news came out. So when this DOJ investigation came out, the stock plummeted very quickly. This happened today. Or actually yesterday evening. So this happened yesterday and Silvergate went down. But guys, remember, BlackRock and State Street Investments are both in this in a big way. And I really do think that, there could be a really big future ahead for Silvergate and obviously Coinbase. I mean, keep an eye on these crypto stocks, guys, these stocks that are touching the crypto industry. Crypto coins are obviously my favorite investment, but if you're ignoring these crypto stocks, then I think you're missing a huge opportunity, especially if this is true and there's about to be a GameStop moment. That is really going to move some of these stocks up in a big way. When you look at these crypto stocks, they've been shorted to death, and they are so far down. There's a lot of upside for these as well. So a lot of ways to make a buck, guys. A lot of ways to make a buck. Keep an eye on the chart here for Coinbase. Keep an eye on the Silvergate investigation and BlackRock and State Street's investment strategy with Silvergate. It's going to be an interesting thing to watch. Folks, that's all I got. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. We're giving away a loaded lion when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel. All you got to do to enter this giveaway is follow us at _CryptoReport. And if you're a YouTube member on the channel, you get an additional 10 entries for each month you are a subscriber. And in order to join us as a member, all you got to do is click here on our YouTube channel or in the link in the description down below. We have that for you as well. Guys, a lot more giveaways to come. Really excited. 5 videos every single day. A lot of news to come in these crypto markets as we get ready for a bull market, hopefully in 2024. That's really all I got, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember, folks, to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.